Hi, Jamie here from Pootle Press. Here's a quick look at the basic operations of Pootle Pagebuilder. It's very simple. You just activate the plugin and then you hover over plus new at the top here and you'll have new live page or live post. You can do pages and posts. I'll just do a page very quickly. So you create a new page. You'll start with just some dummy text up here which you'll probably want to change. So you can just type in here whatever you like, and you can obviously just type in here as well. When you click on these, you get these different options as well. So you can change the font. You can change the heading style, you can change the font sizes, all sorts of great stuff in there. And you can literally just type in here. So there we go. And let me just make this bigger, like so, and you can change the font. So we've included some of those popular Google fonts in here. There we go. What you can also do is add rows underneath here, so you can create nice grid layouts very quickly. So I'm just going to say I want a column with 2 rows, sorry, a row with 2 columns. Again, I'll just put some dummy text in here, and it's the same principle. And you can drag these around as well, so you can actually change the size of these columns as you're building. So you can create, very complex layouts very quickly. What would normally be impossible to do in the normal WordPress editor is a breeze in Pootle Pagebuilder. There we go, that's sort of basic grid layout, which took me a few seconds. But what you can also do, we've introduced some drag and drop modules into these as well, so you can actually change the background colors of these rows and columns and do all sorts of other stuff. So you'll see this little icon at the top left, click on that. We've got all these modules at the moment. They'll do interesting things. I'm just going to show you a couple today if I'm going to add a hero section here. So that'll allow me to add a nice big hero behind that text. And I can either add a color gradient image or video. So I'm just going to use an image just for speed, and you can upload your own, or we've also integrated it into Unsplash, so you can just search 100,000 free images and use one of theirs. There we go. There's the background image. You can also have effects on those background images though. We've got row effects, so we've got parallax, fixed parallax or Ken Burns. Let me just show you fixed parallax today. And you'll see as I scroll how that image is static at the back. What's also really cool though, that you can actually drag these content areas around, and I don't know of any other page builders that let you do this. So it gives you pixel perfect control in terms of where you line your text. You literally just pick them up and drag them. And then if you wanted to, you can obviously go in here and edit this text. Or if you want to add a button in here, you just drag that across. This is a little button customizer that we've built, which is really powerful. So you can change the background color of your button and your text color and your hover color, all sorts of stuff that you might want to do. There we go, there's my button. Starting to look good. You can also drag modules into this on their own down here, into this plus sign. And again, you can either add a background image, gradient or video to those. I'm just going to add another image just for speed here. And let's make this just a normal parallax. There we go, you see that parallax working down there. And there we go, that's the basic operations, and you can carry on. So you can create these really beautiful layouts within a few seconds now. And to publish, you just hover over the top here, click publish, give your page a name, and there we go, that's now published. So that's the basic workflow on how you use Pootle Pagebuilder.